Good evening everybody and welcome to Stitchmas Day 1. So I thought the best way to start off Stitchmas would be to do this video first. So this is just an information video about Stitchmas and what you can expect every weekday up until Christmas Eve. I thought this would be something really fun to do on my channel, to interact with you all, to do patterns and projects, tutorials, questions, answers, all that sort of thing. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So tomorrow we've got our first project, so that will be exciting. There's going to be pattern downloads, free of course. There's going to be all sorts of things. I might do a few like vlog style videos where I take you out and about with me when I'm doing exciting things all around stitching, or there might be a few family bits and pieces in there. There might be a couple of things with my mum and my sister. So basically what I want to know is what you want from me. What do you want? What do you like to see? What can I do that you would really enjoy watching? Is there something that you're stuck on that you need help with? I thought about doing there's a trend on YouTube and it's called I followed a tutorial, and so I thought maybe I could follow a Jenny Doan tutorial on here and see what the project ended up like. A Debbie Shaw, a Lizzie Curtis, those sort of things would be really cool. I've also got shows coming up on Hochanda on the 29th of December, so maybe some behind the scenes of setting up for that show, preparing for the show, what I'm going to take, all that sort of stuff. So that's what I want to know. I want to know what you want to see from me, what would be interesting to you. I'm going to leave the comments open below. Please don't give me any dislikes. It's not very nice and I only try my best, and so thumbs up would be great, and do share Stitchmas. It's going to be great fun. It's just you know, I don't earn any money from YouTube. It's just something I really enjoy to do. So share the videos with your friends, save them, put them in your playlists, you know, subscribe if you haven't already. That would be absolutely brilliant. And we're going to have great fun. We're going to do loads of cool projects. I'm going to get loads filmed with my filming helpers, my crusty cameraman. If you've seen my, what tutorial was it? Goodness, one of my tutorials, my eldest son was helping me film and I accidentally called him my crusty cameraman. So he'll be helping me. My daughter, my youngest son as well, my husband, they'll all be helping. So yeah. There we are, that's an introduction to Stitchmas. It's going to be something new every day. Obviously there's no project today just because I wanted to let you know what it was I'm doing, because I don't think anyone else does Stitchmas, because, well, I sort of invented it in my head. So a lot of, you know, the young YouTubers do Vlogmas, where they vlog their daily activity every day, but I thought it'd be fun to do Stitchmas. I'm really excited about it. I hope that you'll tune in every day. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell as well so that you get the notification when I've uploaded. And I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of Stitchmas. Thanks for watching. Bye!